Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0441 Evaporative Emission System Incorrect Purge Flow. What I have here is a purge valve solenoid, and it is part of the Evap system. Now the purge valve solenoid is commanded by the computer, and the computer tells the purge valve solenoid valve when to open up. When the purge valve solenoid valve is open, it is going to allow fuel vapor that's stored inside a charcoal canister to go inside the combustion chamber where it will be burned. Now I'm going to tell you guys what is causing P0441 and what you should check. The first thing you should always check is going to be the Evap line. If the Evap line is cracked or it is loose, the fuel vapor is not going to flow properly and you're going to get P0441. So make sure you check the Evap line and make sure it is not cracked. And again, make sure there is no loose connection, because sometimes these connections can become loose, especially when you're doing repairs on the engine and you might accidentally disconnect a line. So again, check all the Evap line, and if the holes are cracked, go ahead and replace it. The next reason why you're getting P0441 code is because maybe there's something wrong with the purge valve solenoid. If that purge valve solenoid is stuck in the open position or in a closed position, again, it is going to trigger that code. It is extremely simple to test the purge valve solenoid. All you gotta do is connect jumper wires to the connection and give power to it by using a 12-volt source. And that purge valve solenoid should be closed. And when you energize it, you should hear a clicking noise, and that purge valve solenoid valve should open up. Here is another quick test. When the purge valve solenoid is not energized, the valve should be closed. And when you energize the purge valve solenoid, the valve should be open. So when the purge valve solenoid valve is closed, you cannot blow through the Evap line and you should not hear any noise. And when the valve is open, you should hear a noise. So let's energize it. As you can see, when the purge valve solenoid is energized, air can flow through the valve. The next reason why you're getting P0441, it is going to be caused by a clogged charcoal canister. Now, when that charcoal canister is clogged, fuel vapor cannot flow and it will affect purge flow. One way to check if the charcoal canister is clogged or possibly clogged is to remove the Evap line. And when you see charcoal pellets is coming out of it and it is inside the Evap line, that's one way to tell that it is clogged. And lastly, check for a loose gas cap and make sure the seal on the gas cap is not cracked or damaged or even missing. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.